Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a song using AI. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Imagine how many songs you could make if a robot did most of the writing and production for you, an AI music generator. It would be awesome. Luckily, there are tools that can help with songwriting, producing, mixing, and mastering. In this video, I will show you how to make a song using AI. How to do this is so simple. So first, you can just create the lyrics first. If you already have the lyric, you can just go to the website AI. You can just type on suno.com, this one. You can log in first to this website. After you log in, you can just create your song. Tap on the plus icon in here. You can enable the custom in here. You can accept. You can enter your own lyrics. But if you don't have, you can create it first for the lyrics. You can also create the lyrics using AI too, like on ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Uh, I will create on DeepSeek. About deep love, for example. A little bit of typo in here, I'm sorry. So this one. So here's the lyrics. We can copy the lyrics and paste into the suno.com to generate this lyric into a song. It's about deep love. So here's, you can delete like the verse. You can delete this. We'll create our own song using this songs AI generator. It's free. Okay, wait. This one too. So this one. You can delete the note. Now here's your song's lyric that's created into a song. You can enter the style music that you want. Pop, for example, or ballad. Or R&B. I will just R&B. You can enter the title of your song, Deep Love. You can save it to your workspace. Now you can just create it. Now this AI is generating your song, your music. We can just wait until it finish. And let's hear the result.
Deep love.
It's so cool, right? Here's the result of your own song. This one is the version 1. And this one is the version 2. It's a cool, right? We can create our own song using this AI. It's so instant and simple. So cool, right? You can save it to your uh, phone by tap on the three dots over here. You can scroll down and you can just download it as a MP3 audio. So here's your own song that you just created using this AI. So simple, right? So that is how to create your own song using AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.